Understanding Site Inspection, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, site inspection. This is a commonly used term in various fields, and understanding it can really help in both professional and everyday contexts. So, let's dive in and learn about what site inspection means and how it's used. Site inspection refers to the process of visiting and reviewing a physical location for a specific purpose. This could be for assessing safety, quality, progress, or compliance. It's a term often used in construction, real estate, event planning, and many other industries. The key here is the act of going to the site, or location, and conducting a thorough examination. Site inspections are crucial for several reasons. They help ensure that a project or property meets certain standards or requirements. They can identify potential issues early on, preventing costly mistakes or accidents. In industries like construction, regular site inspections are vital for maintaining safety standards. Understanding the importance of these inspections helps in appreciating the thoroughness and attention to detail required in such tasks. Conducting a site inspection involves several steps. 1. Preparation, knowing the purpose of the inspection and what to look for. 2. Observation, carefully examining the site, taking notes, and possibly photographs. 3. Evaluation, assessing the information gathered to make informed judgments. 4. Reporting, documenting findings and providing recommendations or feedback. In construction, a site inspection might focus on safety hazards, progress against plans, or quality of work. In real estate, inspectors examine buildings for structural integrity, compliance with regulations, and general condition. For event planning, a site inspection ensures the venue meets the event's needs in terms of size, facilities, and safety. That's all about site inspection. Remember, it's all about visiting a location to assess it for specific criteria. We hope this video has been informative and helps you understand the term better. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.